Are you tired of AI writing the same surface level content as everyone else? Or getting your or your client's business information completely wrong? That's because it only pulls from its limited training data. But that's about to change. Introducing Knowledge, the newest feature in Searchgraph. Knowledge lets you feed custom information straight to the AI, things like internal documents, brand details, and niche expertise. Now, instead of recycling public data, the AI writes deep, unique content based on your own exclusive sources. Let me show you how it works. So first, log into your Searchgraph account and navigate to Knowledge. And then you want to start creating a library. To do that, click on Create Library. Give it a name and description. And then click on Create Library. Now you want to start uploading assets. Assets are the documents or content that contains the information you want this library to have. So first click on Add Assets. There are 3 types of assets you can upload. First is text content. Text content is just plain text that you can either write directly in here, or you can also copy paste your notes or any rough drafts that aren't published online, and you can just simply paste it here. You've also got web page URL. This is good for like your homepage or your About Us page or even your blog posts. Third is upload from device. So here you can upload any files you have in PDF, Markdown, or TXT format. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste a web page URL. Once you've pasted it, you wanna click on the plus button here. And then click on Add Asset. Do note that for each asset, we'll process only the first 40,000 words. And if you have more assets, of course, you can go ahead and upload them. You can create up to 30 libraries per organization, 30 assets per library, and a maximum of 40,000 words per asset. So I've just added more assets to my library. I now have 10. They're all currently being processed. Once your assets are done processing, you'll see a green check mark. So when you've uploaded multiple assets into your library, you might want to retrieve some information or just do a fact check. So you can use this query function right here. You can treat this query function like a librarian, where you ask it to retrieve some information or books, and then it scans your assets and then provides you the information that you're asking for. For example, you can also choose the AI model that you want to use when searching and outputting the information for this query. And then you will see the answer right here. Okay, so now that you've built a library and uploaded assets, finally you can use it in Vertex to write content. So go to Vertex. And then I'm just going to go ahead and create a document. Okay, so the build outline step is where you can ask the AI to use information from your knowledge library. So you want to scroll down and choose your settings per usual. And then you will see under outline source and talking point source, you will see checkbox for use knowledge. So if you want to use a specific knowledge library for any content, you can check that box. And then under the drop down, choose the specific library that you want to use. So I'll choose this one. And you can also choose not to refer to the SERP when building your outline, which I will do right here. And then just continue building the outline and generating the content as usual. Now, once your content is generated, you can actually see where your knowledge library information was used in your content. So on the right panel here, click on Knowledge. And then you will see all the knowledge information being highlighted in purple. And that's how you use knowledge. With just a few clicks, you're giving the AI everything it needs to create deeper, smarter, and truly original content. If you're an agency, you can even build separate knowledge libraries for different clients or industries, so the AI always writes with the right facts and expertise. Go try it out and let us know what you think.